Hey, what's up? It's your girl Victoria Strange here. What's up, Strange Nation? Miss you guys. What's up, gang gang? Anyways, I'm extra as fuck. Sagittarius energy has been feral this retrograde. If anyone relates to me, let me know if you're Sagittarius down below. You fire sign. It's been pretty fuego lately in the air. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh, love. Yeah, anyway, I'm blue double D double die, and I'm turning blue today because I've been feeling the blue Octarian. I'm channeling my alien essence again and vibing, and like I've been just so tired and like just feeling groggy for some reason. I'm just like, man, maybe it's autistic burnout. I feel like we don't talk about that enough. I don't feel like we talk about burnout enough. But like, I feel like it's important to talk about, you know? You gotta take care of yourself. You gotta take care of your mental health. You gotta take care of your emotions, the balance. Stay grounded. Deep breathes. Reiki. Drink a lot of water. Water check. You better get your fucking water out now. That was like very Cardi B of me. Anyway, I love Cardi B so much. Yes. And yeah, I'm a little elevated. When am I not though? I feel like that's just everyday life. I always say like while elevated. It's just like part of me. This is the part of me that you're never ever gonna get away from me. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so retrograde. It's been good. I feel like it's been decent, knock on wood. It's just been like crazy. Had to cut off some people. Yeah. Anyway, sometimes you have to do that. Like, I know it sucks. Like, I know I'm feeling it, Mr. Krabs. I'm feeling it right now. But it's okay. We're not alone. Like, there's community, like love, like in the air too at the same time. So like, just flow, man. I've been like making mad music right now. Recording some tracks, just playing around, like just really, that was really good, like ASMR. But yeah, it was really good so far. We're just vibing, you know, everything, no matter what happens to me, that's the thing, I just am still fucking vibing, man. Like, you can't tear me down right now, I'm on a high right now, you can't tear me down, Gypsy Rose. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just updating you guys. Professional yapping is what I meant to do. I'm also meant to be a plus size model. I've discovered. I totally forgot that my cousin from when she was in the 80s, 1980s, she was a model. She was fierce. She's a fierce freaking queen. I love her. And she is amazing. And she was just an amazing model. It was just unfortunate what happened to her. But I'm not going to let that happen to me. I will fucking fight you with a sword and I'll slice you with a sword. I'm bringing a sword everywhere I go. Like a sword. Yeah, you know who that is. I feel like a pimp right now. I don't know. I'm giving big pimp energy, you know. Anyway, that's badass. But yeah. Stay woke, y'all. But also like stay safe, stay sane, stay grounded. Go outside, touch some grass. But make sure you have fun. Like in all this spiritual tappiness, like I gotta make sure that I have fun. I gotta make sure that I let loose. I scream it out. You know, I went on a water slide this weekend with my bestie. It was so fun. We went on this purple. It was my dream slide. It was purple and green. My favorite colors. And the guy was spinning us around in a circle, crazy. It was, oh my god, it was so fun. It was freaking fun. And it was scary because it was in the dark, and my adrenaline, it was like, I know why people are adrenaline seekers, and sometimes I'm like, when me and Reba, my bestie, will look at each other and be like, fuck it. We'll just keep going. We're like, just fuck it. Just do it. Alright, calm down, bitch. Anyway, that was my Virgo telling me, girl, simmer down. So yeah, I am a Sagittarius Sun, Aries rising, and a Virgo moon. I don't know what you guys are. Let me know in the comments below what your signs are if you want. Don't have to. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be bossy. Like, but if you like that, like this video. I'm just like feeling very playful and silly right now. So, like, I'm just flowing with life, and I love y'all. And enjoy the rest of this look. I'm gonna be posting more on YouTube again. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna stop saying sorry this next year. We're gonna this year, we're gonna really try hard. Why the fuck are we sorry? What the fuck did we do? We're fucking women. I talk like a fucking sailor. Screw me. Like, why? Okay. Bye, love you. Are you guys relatable? Bye. I think this is the look, guys. Channeling my inner light being right now. I'm feeling Sekhmet vibes and also Arcturian vibes at the same time. So, yes, this is a Stone. Get ready with me. Stoned edition. Like paint on your face. Inspired by K-Star. Everyone go follow K-Star. Jade Louise on TikTok. And yeah, let's get like creative. And then Nita also. Nita Star, I think her name is. Yeah, everyone inspiring me to do makeup. And Billy Boo, my manager on TikTok. So go follow everybody. Follow me. And enjoy, guys. Thank you. And that's my update. And yeah, stay tuned. Peace, love, and vibes. I feel like a tiger. Like, I know. Get addicted. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have fun, you know, do your thing, chicken wing, and be lit as fuck. Anyway, bye, I love y'all. Stay lit.